Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we are starting our first lesson with alif. If you like to subscribe, you can subscribe our channel for more videos and to get the updates. Okay, so we are gonna start. Alif anar, alif angur, alif anda, alif ऊंट. So this is the isolated form of alif. This is initial जब हम alif लिखेंगे, and this comes in middle and this comes in end. So these are all we can use in words. And then color of the day is surah, red. Phool, flower. Tarboos, watermelon. Mirch, chili. Ghubbara, balloon. Gari, car. Okay, so sentences we are going to make. My name is Arfa. You can write any name what you have, okay? So हम लिखेंगे मेरा नाम अरफा है. I am 7 years old. मैं 7 साल की हूँ. I live in Canada. मैं कनाडा में रहती हूँ. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more videos.